Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro watch A1 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Mibro Fit application. Where is it? Right here. Let me move the icon to the home screen. This app, Mibro Fit, and once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to open the Mibro Fit application. In the app, tap on device, and here you should see your Mibro Watch A1 on the device page. Now tap on notification. Then tap on the switch next to notification to enable notifications. And if you don't have required permissions allowed for the notifications to work, you will see this pop-up. And here tap on the determine. It will redirect you to the notification access. Here what you need to do is find the Mibro Fit application, tap on it, tap on the switch next to allow notification access, tap on allow, and then you can go back to the Mibro Fit application by tapping on the back button. And then you can enable notifications. If you see more pop-ups about the permissions, tap on determine and allow the permissions. And once you're done with the permissions, you will see basically a list of apps. And what you can do is to enable and disable the notifications for these specific apps. And how it works is if you enable notifications, for example, for something like Discord, and you receive the notification from Discord on your phone, that notification will be forwarded to your watch. That's how it works. If you disable the notification, it won't be forwarded to your watch. It will stay on your phone and you won't see it on your watch, basically. So that's how it works. So enable the notifications for the apps you like, and at this point, you should be able to receive them. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord just to test it out. As you can see, we got it on our phone. Let's check if we got it on our watch. And we did. Here it is. Okay, and that's how you enable phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.